I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make smooth hair. First, begin your journey to smooth hair by selecting a gentle, sulfate-free shampoo. This helps retain your hair's natural moisture, preventing frizz. Follow with a rich conditioner, applying it from the midshaft to the ends, and leave it on for at least 2 to 3 minutes. A final rinse with cool water will help seal the cuticle, locking in moisture and boosting shine. After washing, apply a small amount, about a dime-sized portion, of leave-in conditioner or a smoothing serum to your damp hair. This creates a protective barrier and adds extra moisture. Use a wide tooth comb to gently detangle, starting from the ends and moving upwards to avoid breakage. Allow your hair to air dry about 70% before using a blow dryer on a cool or medium setting for best results. Protecting your hair from heat damage is crucial for smoothness. Always apply a high-quality heat protectant spray evenly through your hair before using any hot tools. Opt for styling tools with ceramic or tourmaline plates, as they distribute heat more uniformly, reducing damage. When using a flat iron or curling iron, work in small sections and keep the tool moving to prevent excessive heat exposure on any single area. For lasting smoothness, integrate a deep conditioning mask into your routine 1 or 2 times a week. This provides intense hydration and repair. Regular trims, approximately every 6 to 8 weeks, are essential to remove split ends and maintain healthy hair growth. Finally, consider sleeping on a silk or satin pillowcase. Its smooth surface minimizes friction, preventing tangles and frizz overnight, contributing to consistently smooth hair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.